jigsaw has arrived. I'm slightly concerned that this is already, seems like this is only, seems like, I'm slightly concerned that this isn't taped, or that tape has been cut and it's only sellotaped across there. I'm hoping it's just a packaging thing. And this isn't some kind of return. Let's open it up and see. Okay, I thought it might have been a box within a box, but it's not. But here we have our 300 amp hour lithium battery, which will be going into the van shortly with our 3000 watt inverter and our 50 amp DC to DC charge controller. It's blooming heavy, I know that much. In all its glory. What have we got there? 12 volts, 300 amps, 3840 watt hours. Ten-year lifespan, etc, etc. Alright, everything is now out. Batteries are out. I've disconnected the solar charge controller. 2 batteries are out. And our super duper double charger is all disconnected. That positive there and that negative there, that's from the solar. And that negative and positive are from the starter battery, which is what I need to replace now. Which I think with thicker cables, because I think that needs to be 16mm, and they don't look like 16mm to me. On the beast. Supply with 2. Longer than the other. I don't know if it will focus or not. I think you can see that. One's longer. No. No, exactly the same. No, Richard, we picked up this 2 the same. Yes, you have. You idiot. There. There, you can see that there. That's better. You can see my fat fingers. There we go. Not sure if that's focused, but still, you can get the idea. One's longer than the other one. I'm going to put the longer ones in. Alright, now I've got to pick this beast up. Got some nice handles. And hope that I don't put my back out before we go away. Alright, bending these, Rich. Oh Christ, it's bringing out the whole thing. There we go. Let's put that down. Ready? Oh, wow. There we go. like to do is wire in the charger, which I'm going to stick this side. Charger's going to be that side, battery in the middle, inverter there, which I'll move up a bit. Well, the cables on that are a beast. Right. Whoa, it's nice and shiny. We can get some charge in it before the sun dies down. Yeah, so we've got a 16mm cable. That's got a 100 amp fuse. Or was it a 60? I think it might be 60. Let's double check, shall we? Let's pop that open. There we go. 60. Right. Let's get this bad boy wired up. Get some solder into this battery. Okay, that's that, finger tight. Good, we've got lights. We've got lights. We've got a green light, which is a good sign. And we've got, I'm going to say yellow. Yeah, I'm going to say yellow. I think that recognises what type of battery it is, which according to the manual that should be blue for lithium, which is interesting. No, I might have to go in the app and change that. Right. Okay. And we want the negative solar, which is this one. Just a bit long, but there we go. Lights, camera, action. Need to move those around. There we go. Still need to get the DC to DC alternator cable in that one as well at some point. But in the meantime, we need to drop this little positive into here, and then that should give us at least a solar charge to the new battery. There we go. There we go. There we go, that's the solar kicking in. With the red button, the red light I mean. Solar charging on red, which it is, so it's bulk charging I suppose, because it's got no battery, no power in that battery yet. That should what we got there? Battery indicator on yellow, nominal voltage. The battery indicator is green, which is still for lead acid, but I think I've got think I've got to change that in the app, which I shall do now. And this is the beast of our 400 amp mega fuse. It's going to connect on between our battery and our inverter, along with these massive 70mm cables. So should just click back on. Of course it should. So jobs are good and mega fuse. Alright, there's a better shot of the beast. That's the back. 2 fans, 2 terminals. And on the other end, we've got power in, 2 power outs, and then the remote setting. Got a little remote control, so we turn it on and off. Beast. 70mm cables with a 400 amp mega fuse. Should be more than enough. Right, slight change of plan. Turned the battery around, shoved it right up in the corner so the terminals ran that way, so that I could get them to the fuse boards for the 12 volts. I'm going to stick the inverter here for now. I might board that and put it up against the wall, because I was going to put the toilet in here. Well, I am, so I'm going to have to board that, put the inverter, mount the inverter on a little bit of board or something. Save a bit of space. And then we've got the charge controller here. I've got it linked up to the starter battery now. I think all I need to do is link up the solar onto this one. I've had to get a buzz bar because there was too many cables going into this negative. So I'll set up a little buzz bar. I haven't screwed it down yet, but I shall screw that down there, out of the way. It makes it a little bit more tidy. Less chances of wires arcing, etc. So I'm going to turn it over, see what sort of response we get. There we go. And that should be oh no, the light's not on. Interesting. Oh no, it's on now. There we go. Okay. Cool. So we've got blue light for lithium. The battery light is on as it's charging. Solar's not connected yet, but the alternating light is on, so that should be charging.
Like and subscribe, Pop 3.